Alright, so this is going to be my review for the Moosoo vacuum, and you can get it on Walmart. There's probably a couple other places you can get it from, but I got mine from Walmart. So I saved you the hassle of me unbagging a lot of these parts. So I put everything already together. So fresh out of the box, this is what you're going to get. Comes with 2 crevice tools, the hose, and I mean compact design, and it does have the lithium ion battery, and it comes on there. It kind of looks like the DeWalt Milwaukee battery. It's 18 volt. Does have a battery symbol on the side. Fully charged. It did take about 4 hours to charge initially, from the half charge that it came with. And so we're going to do a review on it, and we're going to do a vacuum of the Nissan NV. I am a dad of 7, and this is our family vehicle, so we're going to get a good review of how well this thing does in a much larger vehicle. So I haven't even used it yet, brand new. So it's filter, and then just basically goes together really well. Seems like it has a seal in there, probably because it's a shop vac. You can pull up some water with this. And it does have blower capability. Just switching the hoses around. So what I figured with this crevice tool, or if you could get something smaller, if you needed more air to come out of here, you could maybe find like a piece of PVC and taper this down to an 1/8 or something. But there's all types of little crevices on the Nissan to get into, this one being the major one that I see a lot. And since we have a gravel pad here, as the kids come up here, the gravel tends to get stuck down in there also. So we're going to do a whole vacuum of the van, and hopefully this battery lasts for the whole length of a vacuum on the van. But overall it looks pretty well built. Everything seems pretty solid to it. So we'll put it through its tests. This one I'm not really sure about. This looks pretty cheap, but I mean, I believe this vacuum was only just under $70, so pretty good deal. So we'll try it out. It has 2 different modes on it. I would say a medium and a high, not necessarily a low, but that would be like a medium and a high, and then off. But sounds pretty good, so we'll put it through some quick. Really well in there. There's some more finer detail. The track I'm not so much worried about, as long as I get some of the rocks out of there. But that usually stays pretty greased up for that roller back there. And we'll go ahead and get some more. But so far, I mean, it cleared those rocks out really well. So we'll bring it back here, and the wife gathered up some plants, and they always leave a mess in the back, so we'll see how well this tool works back there for that dirt. Alright, so now we're at the back of the van, and right here is where the wife had got some plants, and I mean, it's not too bad, but there is quite a bit of dirt underneath that seat to do a good demonstration with this carpet crevice tool. So we'll zoom in quick on this and see how well this is going to do. Really good suction. Seems to be picking this stuff up really well. Even what's so nice about this, you can just pick it up and just move it wherever you need to go. You don't have to worry about a cord or anything. So this was one of the main selling points for me, that and the blower to blow out the vents. That's pretty cool to have that on here. So we'll keep on going and we'll see how well this is going to do. highly recommend this vacuum for the car seats. You can get down in all these little nooks down inside here and down inside the seat belts. I mean, that's huge. Wives will really like this and really appreciate it. And it's so versatile. I mean, it's smaller than the seat. It's probably only maybe 2 gallons. And, you know, you can just throw it in the trunk or in the back of the van and you're ready to go whenever. Come into a tight spot and pop that end off. So as you can see, I don't have any dust in my vents. Otherwise I would show you the blower capabilities, but I try to keep everything pretty clean dust wise. The van, yeah, it has a lot of rocks, but other than that, I mean, there's not a whole lot of dirt. And overall review of the vacuum, very, very well. Surprised at its capabilities and the power it does have. We will be working on these stains and how to remove them, and along with these carpets as well. There's some pretty bad stains in them. Comes with kids and buying a used vehicle, but you see what they look like before. Less traveled, mainly traveled. So we'll show you how to clean all these up really, really well, so they'll look like this. But now to the really gross part. I imagine it's just mainly rocks in here, but we got to do it. Mainly rocks and some candy. Better not be too much candy though. And some cereal. That's about it though. Did get a lot of dust out of the carpet, so highly recommend this. Very powerful little vacuum. And so this was about an hour worth of vacuuming on this van, and we got 2 bars left. So I mean, that's pretty good. I could probably get one more vehicle done with that. Really, really nice. So yeah, works really well in these crevices. The wives will love it for the car seats and down in these cracks of the seats. And just a really, really well made vacuum. Thanks for checking out the review of this vacuum, the Moosoo. I think this is the L series. I'll put the link in the description. Checking it out on DIY Detailing.